Danielle K. Howell from DanielleKHowell.com, and I just thought I'd shoot this quick video for you today to tell you why I decided to work from home. Working from home can be a big decision, and you have to, in my opinion, you have to be ready to jump in with both feet. All right, there shouldn't be any debating, contemplating, should I, shouldn't I. You have to either be a person that wants freedom or not. And you know, lots of people have a plan B. Oh, just in case it doesn't work out, then I'll go do this. I say no, because when you have a plan B, then you're already telling your subconscious mind that you don't have to succeed in this, because you can always go back to what you already have and know and what's familiar. So to start a business, it is basically you're working and you're walking by faith, and you're doing things that are out of the ordinary. You know, people may not understand, and you are also embarking on a journey that can be fulfilling, rewarding, and sometimes uncertain. So these are the things that you need to consider when you want to start a home-based business. Now, I can tell you from my own experience, I gave up my teaching career as a special education teacher. I worked in the Department of Education in New York for over 7 years, and I started out as a teacher's assistant, worked my way up, you know, to a substitute teacher, and then I eventually got my degree. Well, I worked towards my degree to get my teaching certification. And while I was in school getting my master's degree, I decided that this is not what I wanted to do. I realized that although I love the children, I love the fact of working with the children, certain things that was, you know, on my heart to do with the kids, I was limited. You know, there's a certain regimen. Everything is regimented, and there's a certain routine that you have to follow, and there's certain benchmarks that you have to meet and criteria that you have to meet, and the kids have to meet goals. So it became a lot of paperwork and a lot of data being taken, as opposed to letting the kids explore their environment and learn in an exploratory manner. So I kind of felt that this is not for me. And also, I was trapped. I felt trapped. I couldn't go to the bathroom unless somebody was there to relieve me. So I remember one day I had to go to the bathroom so bad that I had to call my unit coordinator, and you know, I had to run to the bathroom, and you only get 2 minutes. I mean, you can't stay in the bathroom too long, so I didn't even get a chance to fix my hair. But these are the things that happens when you're working for someone else, when you're making someone else's dream come true instead of working towards making your own dreams come true. And I'm all about dream building. I'm all about goal setting and profit making. You know, you want to make profits for yourself, and you know, you want to also have that time freedom. I couldn't go on trips with my children. I had 10 days that was in my bank, so to speak, and 7 of those days I could only use if I was actually sick, and 3 of those days they had to be deemed for personal days. So I had to ask my principal, you know, can I take a day off next week? And if he didn't feel like he thought the day was necessary, he could tell me no. So I could not go and attend my child's, you know, play at school, or go on a school trip, which I love to do, or volunteer in the school, which I also love to do. So these things, I was limited. And my girls would cry and say, Mommy, why can't you come? You know, other kids' moms come, and I couldn't. Even on Bring Your Child to Work Day, I couldn't bring my child to work. So I really felt trapped, and I felt like I was being separated from my children, and I wanted to spend more time with my kids. I wanted to spend more time at home. I wanted to be there, not rushing them out the door in the mornings, you know, because I had to get to work on time, or else I would have to sign a late book and get docked. I mean, it was just getting utterly ridiculous, and I felt really, really trapped. And I wanted that freedom. And I always knew deep down inside that I wanted to work for myself. That I always, you know, had an entrepreneurial spirit. I've started a business before, and you know, I went back after having my last child. I went back to work because I didn't have the mindset that I have now. If I knew back then what I know now, I would have never gone back to work. But, you know, sometimes that's the way life is. It, you know, it teaches you things to help you grow. And during this journey, this year that I've embarked on my new passion and my new business, I have learned so much about myself. And I have enjoyed freedom that I never thought possible. You know, I mean, I've met people from all walks of life, from all over the world. And it's just an amazing feeling. And I want to tell you that if you are thinking about starting a business, I would love for you to join my team. You know, I do internet marketing, and it is just a wonderful place to market yourself, market your business. The internet is a vast array of information. So you want to be that person that gets in there and just makes a contribution to the world. I honestly feel like I'm making a contribution to the world, and I'm helping people every day. And you know, that's something that I live for, and that's something that I love, and that's something that I cherish and I hold dear to my heart. So if you're like me and you want to stay home with your children, you're tired of being trapped in your job, you know, you want to start out part-time, but you're committed to making a full-time income, then I encourage you to join me on my team. We have calls every Wednesday. I will post this at the either on the side or at the bottom at the top of this video, so that you can understand what our team is all about, what the community that I'm a part of is all about, and how you can be a part of a growing, thriving business, all working from home. Many people have done it. I always thought, oh my goodness, how are they doing this? Especially when I saw it online. I never thought it was for real. You know, when I thought that it was a scam, or it was something that only certain people could do. But if I can do it, you can do it. And I've learned from so many leaders and so many masters in this industry. And I've learned about how to take your skill set that we all possess. We all possess a certain skill set. We all have talents and abilities that we're only using just a portion of it. Just a portion. Because we're limited in our jobs. We're limited from what we can do. But when you work for yourself, you are unlimited. You're limitless. So I encourage you to click on the button or click on the link that you see around this video, depending on where you're watching it, and find out more about me, find out more about my team, find out more about the community that I'm a part of. And I welcome you, and I wish you abundant success in whatever you do, whether you join my team or not. But if you are looking for an opportunity, there is no better opportunity that I know of than the opportunity that I have signed up with and have found to be a great community of leaders, a great community of teachers, entrepreneurs, rising stars, high top earners, and it's, you know, the list goes on and on. All right, so hopefully this video has been uplifting and motivating and inspiring for you, for that inspiring entrepreneur that it lives inside of you. And hopefully we'll talk again and we'll work together. I'll talk to you soon. This has been Danielle K. Howell from DanielleKHowell.com. To your abundant success. Take care.